Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About 3x, I will put into negative x plus 4x because this one equals to 3x. Because I want to create about factorization, that's why I need to create this way. Now, about this one, we can do about factorization by x. This one, we can do about factorization by 4. Now, we have s minus 1, s minus 1. We can do another factorization by s minus 1. Now, we need to use about partial fractions. Now, I will put capital A over s minus 1 and capital B over s plus 4. Now, we do common denominator. So, capital A multiplied by s plus 4 and capital B multiplied by s minus 1. And this one you got about s minus 1 and s plus 4. Now, we need to arrange based on the term of s. About s, you got about A plus B. About the number, we have 4 with A, negative number 1 with B. So coefficient of this one, you got about number 1. So 4A minus B equals to number 1 because we don't have S in here. So A plus B equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solution of A and B. So A equals to 1 over 5 and B equals to negative 1 over 5. And now we put the value A and B go in here. So we can create about this integration. So A equals to 1 over 5. B equals to negative 1 over 5. The integration of this one, you got about 1 over 5. Ln of the absolute value of s minus 1. And we have negative 1 over 5. Ln of the absolute value of s plus 4. And we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.